Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kasha and this is my mum.
Right.
And are you going to show your nose or are you going to hide it the whole video?
What did you do to me?
I put this bio nose strip on. It's like a cleansing thing for your nose. It looks like you injured your nose. Like
You know, it's a band-aid, yes. So this opens up your pores and cleans your pores. So
yeah.
this is from Bio
Yeah.
Nose Strip.
And if you're wondering what we're doing today, we're obviously not just going to show my mum's nose the whole video, but we're doing a massive skincare for my mum.
She wanted to do my skincare, so we'll show you what's next.
Yes.
We're going to peel this off. It's already dry and it's really hard. And
Oh yeah.
yep, needs to be off.
Okay, so we're going to take the sides off.
From the bottom, it's going to hurt.
Oh, okay. I'm scared now.
And by the way, Kasha is my brain.
Yeah. Her lovely skincare braid.
Skincare.
Yes. Okay. Do I just rip it?
No, slowly.
Okay. It's kind of like wax. It's so hard to rip.
Oh, it wasn't that.
Ooh,
Oh.
it hurt at the end, I could see it. Alright? I don't know if I should show it because it looks kind of weird. The next step is actually something that I have to make.
A face pack.
Yes, a coffee face pack. And then we'll get on to all the different products.
Let's
And I
get
just
into
realised I
it.
was talking without them even seeing my face.
Let's get into it.
Yes, I'm going to take you guys with me to make the face pack while my mum rests here. Alright, so I just added a bit of coffee. What else did I add? Honey and a bit of milk. And now I'm going to mix it and then put it on my mum's face. So I just put these bunnies on my mum.
Hop, hop.
So the mask doesn't get on her face. And I got this
Of
brush.
course.
And
Of
now,
course, she had to put this on.
yep,
Yeah.
definitely part of the skincare.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to apply it on my mum's face. It's going to be cold.
Mm.
You shouldn't.
It is cold.
And this one's not peel off, it's wash. Right?
To wash, yeah.
Yeah. It's so fun to put on.
Feels good. Yep, it's good.
And you can eat it.
Eat it.
It's edible.
There's something on my hair.
It's edible.
Can I have a towel? So we have to wait until it's dry. And I think I have to fix a little bit because Miss Kasha didn't do it properly.
Yeah, it didn't really go undone.
Yeah, this is also part of my face, by the way. This part here.
Late night skincare.
And you can go all the way.
We still have so much more
This
to do.
this mask is actually so good for your skin. Helps to brighten up the skin. And if you have any tan from sunburn or anything, that helps to get rid of that as well.
We're going in and then close.
Someone decided to do my curls while we're waiting for this to dry.
Yes.
My Miss Expert. Well done. Do you want me to move?
No, it's fine. Oh, that one didn't work.
It will work.
The first one was really good. Let's do the rest.
So Kasha thinks I'm getting ready for my vaccine tomorrow. I gotta look good, man. Come on. Yes?
For your vaccine.
Yeah, for my vaccine.
I just got mine today.
Yes. How was it?
I couldn't even feel it.
No, I was
You could
joking.
feel that.
No. So come on, hurry up. My face is dry. Oh, you're done.
And also, we made a video on getting vaccinated for me and Dylan, and he was literally running around the whole thing. she had like the container, and he thought that the needle was in it because she was coming near him, but she was actually going towards the door. And then he kept running around. Mum, remember that?
Behind me.
He thought that she was trying to do it, but it wasn't even in the container. She had to go get it.
Typical Milan.
Seriously.
Alright, let me wash my face and I'll come back.
Yes.
So the curls are done. She did a good job.
Yep.
And
That looks so pretty.
And we just posted a video on TikTok. how to curl hair with straightener.
And if you haven't already followed our TikTok, we'll leave it down below. And
Okay.
you see us?
What's next? Oh,
What is that?
what is? Did you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Good luck peeling that off.
Okay.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this aloe vera gel on.
Okay. The face feels so clean and soft, as you can see.
It looks very fresh.
So what does that do?
Well,
Which one better?
That one you put it on.
This
Now
one.
I'm just going to face.
not yet.
That kind of finish it.
Also, when we had the coffee mask on, all of my mum's hair kept getting stuck to her face because we were doing her curls. So we had to like rip it off.
You ripped my chair off?
Yeah.
How rude.
Nice.
Okay, now we just have to let that dry.
You have to wash it
a
first.
bit.
Both the sides?
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What side do you want?
The upwards, the big one. Mm-hmm.
And I also put a bit of peel on the mask
Go
on.
upwards. Yep. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Up.
I just put this peel of charcoal mask on.
No, the upwards.
Oh, okay. I can add it. Okay. Okay? See the soft side.
Soft. It's not
That's
soft.
not
It's
soft,
small.
it's small.
You're doing it.
I mean small.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, you just take it off.
Okay. Do it. Whatever. Whatever. Oh, good.
I think he's like torturing her.
It's called torturing makeup.
Makeup.
I think that's enough.
Oh,
And that.
Done. Thank you. So
Time we don't buff this.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to work out good.
Ready to go to bed?
Can I do something?
Face feels fresh.
I didn't do
And
something,
thank you
Mum.
for the skincare, Kasha. And we're gonna peel their nose pack.
I need to put more on.
And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our funny, crazy skincare video. We decided to do a quiet one, but with the kids, it's not gonna be a quiet one.
like we
So
hair, we did
we did some hair curls as well.
skincare,
Mm-hmm.
like hairstyling as well in the beginning.
Yeah, braids and curls. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Make sure to subscribe. Bye.
Not done yet.